Hello and welcome back to another lesson on Canva. So in this lesson we're going to create a logo using Canva, and in our previous lesson I showed you how we created a wedding card, and I showed you everything about the side panel as well. So in this lesson we're going to start off creating a logo. Okay, so let's think of a business that we want to start off, and I was thinking like I want to give a burger shop and I want to make a logo for my burger company. For the business that I'm going to start, I'm going to create a logo for my burger shop. Alright, so I want to create a logo. In order to do that, I'm gonna go here and search here. Okay, I can also go here, create a design, and type in logo. So once I type in design, you can see there is logo here, so I'm just gonna select that one, 500 by 500. So you can see they already gave me a page here that I want to create in, so I can add anything here. Okay, so I want to add a burger logo. Okay, I want to create it like I want to modify a template. I'm going to select a template. If you don't want to select a template, you can just start off here, just give a background color and start just like that. But I need a logo, a burger icon in order to create this logo, so I'm just going to type in here burger logos. Alright, so we can see there are a lot of burger logos here. Some of them are free and a lot of them are not free as well. So we're gonna select one of the free ones. Okay, so any type of ones that we can get, and yeah, we can select this one. Okay, so once we've selected, you can see here whenever I move my cursor around, you can see that there are these boxes that I can actually change the fonts of these boxes. Okay, so I'm not gonna change the burger logo over here. I'm just gonna take this logo and put it on the side for now, and I'm gonna take this one and put it on the side as well. So this is just the text. Okay, and I'm also gonna take this one and put it on the side. Now first we're going to work on these. Okay, so I want to name my burger shop, let's name this burger shot. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep this and type in shot, and I'm gonna select this one and I'm gonna type select it. Put the cursor here, and then I'm going to type in burger. So I'm keeping it all of these in capital letter because the fonts are really small, so it doesn't matter. So for now I'm just gonna place this here and this over here because we're gonna use it later. Okay, so burger shot, and let's select that here. Now we're gonna take this burger logo, burger picture, and keep it like that. Now since our name is burger shot, it makes sense to give a target icon, right? So we're gonna go to elements and let's type in target icon. Okay, so we have our target icon, and let's use this one. Okay, and we're gonna place it right over here. Let's make this a bit bigger here and put it right here, and we're gonna increase the size. Okay, so it covers the whole burger. Okay, no, we're not gonna use this one, we're just gonna use this one. So let's change the color of this icon here. We can change it to anything that stands out. Okay, we'll just keep it in black. Okay, now since we have our burger shot logo here, and we're gonna place the name, let's say here, and we're gonna place it right here. Okay, it was like this before, but still. And then we're gonna place this here, and we're gonna change the font here as well. Okay, and we're gonna change it to my. All right, so we got our font here, and let's decrease the size a bit more so it fits into this box. Let's decrease it a bit more, huh? Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, burger shot, and we're gonna take these, place this one here and place this one. I think I gave it the other way around. Okay, let's see if we can do anything about this background here. Let's try to change the whole background, and we're gonna make these logos a bit bigger as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this to this side, you there and you there as well, and I'm going to select this one, and okay, I have to move this one as well. So first I'm going to increase the size of the burger, and then I'm going to take this here and I'm going to increase the size of this one as well. Okay, there we go. All right, and now we're gonna place these texts here. This one goes here and this one goes here, and you go right over here, and we'll increase this size as well. And this one also, we're gonna keep it right here. Okay, so this is our logo for Burger Shot, and let's see if we can do anything about the background right now. Full black background, or this one seems kind of nice, but no, we want to keep it a bit. Okay, this one seems good, so let's keep this one. Okay, so now we've created the logo. Let's see if we can change, if there is any need to change the font color here as well. Let's go with black. Also this one, we're gonna go with black as well. Select it. Okay. All right. Now we've got our logo here, and what we want to do now is I want to save this. Okay, now how are we gonna save it? We're just gonna download it as a PNG file. Just go to share and click on download, right? And you can see that they says it's suggested to download in a PNG file, because if you download in a PNG file, you are able to later on use it on any type of like YouTube thumbnail or any type of YouTube logo icon. They'll just fit it out instantly if it's a PNG file. You can't do it with a JPG file. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this PNG file, and I'm just gonna click on download, and now the logo is being downloaded. So okay, now it's done. I'm just gonna save it. Well, you can see it's saved. Now we have our image here, our logo that we created, the burger shot for our burger shop. So we can use this logo anywhere we want to place the logo, we can just place it. Okay, so that is how you actually download and make this logo. You can make it as well yourself, and it doesn't have to be a burger shop. You can do it for your own company or your own business as well. Okay, so I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next lesson.